Tell me honestly, do you really think that whatever you want in life, okay, the exact way you want it, do you think you're going to get it the exact way that you want it? You want a car, that is for sure. You want a particular model in a particular color, that is also okay. But you wish that you have to get it from that store, from that person only. Is that possible? Or you have to get it at that rate only, and in that month, and on that only? Is all of those possible? So unless that rate meets that date and that person and that model and color, you're not going to take it. Is that what you're going to do? So that means you keep delaying the work or the result just because you want to control the outcome. And so you're not even in the present while doing the work for it. So instead of focusing, oh, let me just work for collecting the money to get the car, you are thinking, oh, I will get it on that day only. But what if I don't get it on that day? So then maybe I will have to work earlier or later for it. Or then maybe if that person is not available, I'm not going to take it. And this and that, every single thought you will try to match and manage and all of that while doing no work for it, or doing almost no work for it. This is what happens when you try to control the outcome. Instead of wishing for something to happen, you make it a compulsion that it has to happen that way. And this is not making anything easier for you, okay? Instead of opening up your heart to things that you want, you are creating a boundary to get the things that you want. It's working against you, not for you. And I can say this because I have tried this. I have been that perfectionist person who want the thing that time, that way, in that way. I was not happy even after I got it. Because first I tried to control it a lot and I didn't see the side effects of controlling it. I didn't see what would happen if things went that way. What will I be missing on? And I missed out on a lot of stuff. And when I realized it, it was not even great. The way I was imagining it was not even great. And when I realized that there were better options, if I had not made it so compulsory to get it this way, maybe I would have gotten something better. The moment I realized it, I was like, okay, I need to stop being so rigid about how I want things to be. Yes, I want things, certain things, and I have certain qualities in which I want that things to come true, but not every step. Okay? And trust me, there are things better than what you can imagine. There are a lot of things better than how you imagine it to be. Okay? Like, for example, you say you want the same color, same model, and you have told almost everyone that I am going to take this car on that day from that person in that color, and that is for sure. Okay? Now imagine this. You are very stuck on it. And now in that same shop, there's a better salesperson who can give you even more discount for whatever reason. And there is better color in that model. Now, just because it's not that person and that not that color, even if you want the new one, you are not going to take it just because you're being so rigid about it. Because now you don't only have to justify what others will think because you've told it to everyone, but also to yourself, thinking that this is what I wanted all my life, or all the time that I wanted this thing. So, trying to control every step you take does not let you work towards what you actually want. In fact, keeps you stuck in the loop, and you may end up not getting the right thing. Keep a standard, that is for sure. Keep a good standard for yourself, but don't get stuck here. Keep the possibility of going up and down. Okay? And every time you do this, you will realize that things are not that difficult to move ahead with. This is the stage where you realize that working towards something has to have flexibility in it, or else you can't go ahead with it. Second, if you are not allowing any flexibility or any adjustments, maybe you can't even go ahead, because every step is going to take you so much thought, so much, I would say, not needed thoughts. Okay, there will be so much of them that you're so stuck in those thoughts, you don't know if there is anything else also you want or you can work with. So instead of trying to focus only on the goal, try to focus on the process of the goal as well. Goal setting is one time, process setting or planning is a regular process. We'll talk about that in the next video. But for here, this is what it is. Set your goals, give a standard, but don't get stuck on it so much that you forget to go ahead in your process. That is it.